Hello all, my name is Krishnak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, last week we had the 7 days amazing live session on statistics and many people liked it. There were like many people who had attended it. It was a record breaking in my channel. The first day like around 1500 people had joined live, right? Which usually does not happen in an educational channel. Uh, After the stat session, many people requested, Krish, please come up with 7 days live session on machine learning algorithms. So, guys, today is 31st Jan. So, tomorrow, February 1st, we are going to start the 7 days live session on machine learning algorithms, and it will go till February 7th. Now, anybody who probably are looking to become a data scientist will definitely be like this entire sessions will be definitely beneficial. The way that I'm going to cover all the machine learning algorithms will be more towards mathematical and geometrical intuition. So the intuition will be quite amazing. I will try to include all the maths that is involved over there, so that this will definitely be helpful for you in the interviews. Whenever you are attending an interview and somebody asks you about any kind of machine learning algorithm, definitely you will be able to answer once you follow all these sessions. Anyhow, I've already uploaded a lot of videos on machine learning algorithms, but I'll try to add some more mathematical intuitions that I've actually missed in my videos, right? And many people will be thinking about practical implementation. Guys, first of all, first 5 days I think I'll focus on completing all the machine learning algorithms, and then probably last 2 days I will show you some end-to-end projects by showcasing multiple algorithms over there and showing you how to deploy it. So all those things will definitely be covered. So please make sure that you press the bell notification icon, because from tomorrow every day I'll be coming live at 7 p.m. and the session will be going till 8:30 p.m. I do not want any one of you to miss. This is the part of community sessions which we definitely give back to our community members, to our subscribers. And apart from that, a good announcement to you is that I have also started making videos on Python, machine learning, and deep learning in Hindi, right? So many people had actually requested me about that. So you will be able to find out. I've already started with Python. 4 tutorials are uploaded. You will be able to find all those videos in Krish Naik Vlogs channel. The link will be given in the description. Please make sure that you subscribe it. So yes, see you tomorrow. Okay, be prepared. Come up with your notebook and pen, and let's see that how amazingly I actually explain with all the mathematical intuitions that is required, which will definitely be beneficial for you all. Right? So if you're new to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe the channel. And yes, guys, please make sure that you share this video with everyone, because 7 days we are going to just have this extensive and amazing sessions which will definitely be beneficial. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, have a great day ahead. Thank you, one doll. Bye bye.